Hey dolls, hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Valisa, and on this video it's gonna be a different one. I'm going to show you guys and I'm going to unbox. I just bought it from Amazon. Um the portable photo studio light box. Now this one is a 12x. They do have one 16, but honestly, I bought a small one because I like to travel and I take pictures in different locations. Okay. Also, I'm kind of starting my own brand, which I'm so happy, super excited. Cannot wait. So, yeah. My head is all over the place, you guys. My head is all over the place. But I'm super excited. I'm overwhelmed. So I'm doing everything myself and my husband. And now that we got the products, we're going to start taking pictures. And this professional shooting tent is small. So if you're the type of person that you like to do you have like a jewelry, you're a blogger, or you sell like you have a store, you sell like small items, collectible things. This is perfect. Now, I got it like what, a few days ago when I recorded this, and I have been playing with it, and I have to say I like it how it's easy to manage, like to put together. So I'm gonna apply now. It comes with this little bag, which is kind of cute, okay, because you can fold it. It's easy to fold and unfold, so you can put that bag. And I'm gonna open it right now. And as I am opening it, it brings six backdrop, which really nice, okay, because you have a black, peach, like an orangey peach, blue, green, white, red, and it's decent. I like that. I like that. All right, the blue, peach, black, green, red, and white. The white is the one that we always use normally. Okay. Um, you can do multiple angles from the top and bottom, which I like. The you'll see it towards the end when I show it. So I like this so far. I think it's cute. I think it's cute, especially for bloggers that, girls that like to do skincare, food, nails. If you're a guy or a girl that loves trading cards, you want to take pictures, you can do that too. So yeah, I think it's pretty nice. I think it's really, really cool. Um, Now, what I love about this is that it's lightweight. It's lightweight. It's not heavy at all. So I took it outside and I brought it back in, and then it was so easy for me to shoot, because I was like, sometimes, setting up the outside, it can take a long time. So the fact that this was already like the tent is already made, you know what I mean? And you can fold it and you can take it with you everywhere. So I love that. I love about that. The price was decent. I would say keep checking because I always have discount, but I got it on sale because it was $49 and I paid $39. The 16, I think it's $59. And I got it the next day, so that's pretty cool. I saved $20. And so look how easy it is. Bam. Not bad. Super easy. I like that. I like that. It's just easy. Okay. Like I said, it is perfect for small items, and you're gonna see why towards the end. I like it. It was not bad. 12-inch. I mean, if you're starting like me, I think that's all you need, to be honest with you. Quality lens, light beads, which it has on top. Okay. It has multiple angle, which I like because I like to use different angles. Okay. 6-color drop, backdrop. I already said that. Assembling in seconds, which I already said that. Advanced photography. I have to learn how to mess with that. I have to learn how to play with that because that I don't know how to use. That one, the material on the side, what is it called? I'm not sure what is it called, but it's kind of like a luminant type of material. Yeah. I'm still playing with it, you guys, and I have to say, so far my photography has been improving. So I kind of like that. But I still have to improve more. I'm still working on it because, you never stop learning. I have always said that. You never stop learning. So it's easy to adjust, it's easy to put together, it's easy to put the backdrop. Um, I like how it brings color. And you know what? Those backdrops, I've seen similar ones in Michael's. So if you go to your local craft store, even at, did I find it at Target? I'm not sure at Target. But if you go to your favorite, oh, Walmart. I've seen it at Walmart. But if you go to your favorite craft store or Walmart, you can definitely get these. Or you can just go to Amazon and get more colors. But I think for you to start, these are perfect colors. So it's not bad. Um, I like it. It's not bad. I have to say I'll give it a 5 star because this is definitely it's gonna give you for you to practice and and so you can get better at it. And I love Poshmark, so if you never heard of it, I'll put the link in the description. I love Poshmark and I do sell items in Poshmark. And this is a fun way to do like jewelries and small items and stuff like that. I am also starting my new brand, which I'm super excited. And yeah, no words can describe how much excited I am. So I have to take pictures. And oh, by the way, before I forget, the lights, it has the light speeds, which I like. Anything that has like, do you know the ring lights? If it has those beats, I love those better because I feel like they're brighter and they last long than the regular ring lights. You know what I mean? The ones that have the beat is better. And I have to say, the only thing I do not like about this is that it does not come with the yellow light and the white light. It only comes with white light. So you only get the white light, not the white and yellow. Because I have ring lights where I can put it white, 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 or yellow, yellow, as in like the sun color, or mix. Sadly, this one does not come with yellow and white, only white. So it's okay, I guess. Because when I was putting the other drops, the color did change a little bit. I got a new phone, so I'm still playing with these color. But here it is, you guys. Here it is. I'm super excited. I cannot believe it's really happening. My launch date is the 15th of October. And we're kind of ready already to start off. But I have to take a pictures of all my lipsticks. And guys, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. So I hope my photography starts getting better. But this tent definitely is going to help a lot. That's for sure. So I have to say I really do like it. You see the beads on the top? And you can take the top part. So you can take pictures from on top. You know what I mean? From on top. But this is really cool. This is just me playing with the colors and stuff. Notice how I am like, look at that. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. If you have an iPhone, you can do a lot of stuff with iPhone. But if you have a good camera, by the way, comment on the comment section. Let me know what camera you guys like and why. Right now, I have been looking at this Sony, but I'm not a Sony girl. So for me, it's kind of odd. But what cameras can you guys like? Give me ideas. Like, what should I get? Because I'm a Canon girl. So yeah, just give me an idea. But I'm super excited. Cannot wait. This is what I got so far from the top, which is not bad. Yeah, I'm just playing with the colors. I need to learn how to play with the colors. But this is a great, tent for people that are starting, for people that want to have open a business, for bloggers. You know what I mean? See that one top on the bottom? Look at that. But yeah, I hope I can be very helpful because honestly, I like this tent just because I can carry it away and it's easy. You know what I mean? And it didn't break my back. Like, it didn't break my pocket. So I like that. I like that. Let me know what you guys think on the comment section. And let me know what cameras you guys are hooked to or you guys recommend. Love you guys. Take care and stay safe and stay away from crazy people.